what's up? I'm with Doug Sony here, and we are in Gokarna right now, alright? There's this nice little cave you can see.
Which looks very scary.
Yeah, it's called the Shiva Cave. We're gonna go in this and explore it. So wish us luck, okay? We're getting in right now.
Can you turn on the flashlight?
Guys, look at this. It's so creepy. This whole place.
steep.
I think someone lives there. What's up? I'm gonna go in this. But for to us, it's unknown. Right? Wait, I'll hold this. Wait, chill. I'll hold this for you.
It was so
Come.
slippery.
Come.
Holy.
There's a Hanuman Murti right here.
Not Murti picture.
Oh wait, there's so much more there.
Jai Bajrangbali.
Yo, that's crazy. There's so much more. So what's up guys, we are at the Kudle beach, alright. We just came down here, it was a small trek. We saw the cave also, as you saw. Cave was very small and it was fine. I mean, it's manageable, nothing overwhelming. It's a huge beach, it goes all the way till there. I don't know if I want to walk so much because I'm so tired, man. We've been traveling by car all day. Almost 6 hours we traveled by car. So it was a very long walk. It was my first time driving on the highway as well. Like the first time ever I drove on a highway. So yeah, that was pretty fun. I hit 150 kilometers per hour for the first time in my life. Feels so powerful when you're driving a car at that speed. Tomorrow is where we'll actually start doing the main things, right? Like there's so many treks around here. There's so many things. There's this Mahabaleshwari temple, the main temple where people come from so far. So that's all for the next few days. Today is just a chill day because we have been traveling the whole day. Come, you also come. Come da. And then this Daksh also wants to say something, the cameraman. You can see him with all the bags and tripods holding it for me. What do you want to say?
It feels good to be the cameraman of my brother. You should visit Gokarna once. It may not have any airport, but it's a really good place.
Yeah, do you think it's better than Goa?
OFC.
Oh, okay. He thinks it's better than Goa. I mean, he doesn't drink, so... Anyways, I'm kidding. I can't even go because I didn't get a different set of clothes. I really want to go in the water. It's so tempting. What the fuck? My chappals are flying away there and my feet just got wet. Chill, I'll get it. Don't worry. Thanks. Woo! Okay, never mind. Hey, thanks, da. Oh my god, wait, let me get that.
My chappal! Go!
Bro, wait.
Oh shit!
Wait.
Woo!
You're wet?
Huh? Not fully.
Okay. Wow.
Even your bag got little wet.
Oh shit, okay. I think that's a sign for us to leave now because that was unplanned and unexpected. But yeah, here's the view and it's beautiful. Can't wait to explore more of Gokarna in the next few days and I'll see you.
कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा सन्ध्या प्रवर्तते उत्तिष्ठ नरशार्दूला कर्तव्यं दैवमान्विकम् कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा सन्ध्या प्रवर्तते उत्तिष्ठ नरशार्दूला कर्तव्यं दैवमान्विकम् उत्तिष्ठोत्तिष्ठ गोविन्द उत्तिष्ठ गरुडध्वज उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्ता त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु.
Second day in Gokarna. Bike is coming behind us. So we're just alright. It's the second day in Gokarna and we walked like 20 minutes from the resort to this temple. It's one of the main temples here. It's called the Ganapati temple. First you encounter the Ganapati temple, then as you go friend, there's the Mahabaleshwari temple, okay? So we are on the way to that now and it's a very nice, small, beautiful place. It's centuries old apparently, the temple. So that was nice to see sort of centuries old buildings still intact.
गोविन्द उत्तिष्ठ गरुडध्वज उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्ता त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु मादः समस्त जगतां मधुकैटभारे वक्षो विहारिणि मनोहर दिव्यमूर्ते श्रीस्वामि निःसृत जनप्रिय दानशीले श्रीवेङ्कटेश दयिते तव सुप्रभातम् मादः समस्त जगतां मधुकैटभारे वक्षो विहारिणि मनोहर दिव्यमूर्ते
What's up? We at the beach. I know you're wondering why do we always keep going to the beach, but there's nothing else in Gokarna, man. There's really Gokarna, only beach is there. Like we literally went to a temple, and the next thing you see there's another beach. What do you think of this beach?
I don't know. It feels like every other beach. It feels
Yeah.
like Goa beach only.
This guy has found no difference between Goa and Gokarna.
Yeah, just go to Goa, man.
Anyways, so this beach is there. We went to the temple, and honestly, this temple it had a long queue. So we decided not to go in because who's gonna wait in the queue and all, right? We didn't. We saw the insides of it. We saw the main, the what do you call it? The building and all that. Like yeah, it's nice. It's a nice temple. You know, you can visit if you want to.
And the famous one.
Yeah, to pass time you can visit it. The main thing is what we go in the evening, right? The other beaches that we go to. The beaches are different in Gokarna because they're shaped differently. Like one is shaped like the Om letter, one is shaped like a half moon and all. So yeah, those beaches are the main things that we have to go. Right now we were just passing time
We
in
have
the
to
morning.
go in Gokarna. That was such a bad joke.
And the weather is so nice here. What do you think of the weather?
It's very humid. Yesterday when we were coming back from the beach, I was just so tired. I was literally sweating.
We are sweating all 24/7 here, honestly. Like 24/7 we are only sweating
Except
and
in
sweating.
the resort.
Hey guys, what's up? We just had lunch at some cafe. Now we are going to Om Beach, one of the most. Ye kahan se aa gaya? We're going to go to Om Beach now, one of the most famous beaches here. Many birds, as you can hear it. So yeah, so I'll see you at Om Beach. So we are at Om Beach, and it's really nice. It took us like about 20 minutes to come by car. You can come by trekking, you can come by these ferries that you see. You can even come by car all the way to here. It's like a half rocky beach, half sand beach. So there are a lot of rocks. I'm sitting on one of these rocks. The rocks are like spread out throughout. So you can like sit anywhere, take really nice pictures. The lighting is amazing right now. Behind me is you can see the sand beach also. And the sand makes a Om shape. That's why it's called Om Beach, right? You can see the two curves going all the way, like the first curve and the second curve. So it's really beautiful out there. We're going to go that side and check it out also as well. And our main vlogger Daksh is also back to yap now. Okay. So yeah, what are you saying?
Yeah, so basically, because of these the rocks are the reason the Om Beach is made, and
Just yapping, something or he's saying.
yeah.
There's so many trees surrounding the beach. So there are trees, and then there are rocks, and then there's the sand beach right here, right in the middle of it, and then there's the ocean obviously. So totally it's like a very scenic view from any angle that you see, even from the place that I'm sitting and recording this video. Let me just show it. So even the place from which I'm recording, so see my camera is there, Daksh is there, and look at the ocean, looks amazing. I mean the sun is blocking most of the light so you can't see it, but with your naked eye it looks amazing. Look at that. And then even you can see that place also. I would actually recommend you to come here by trek. There's a dog also there. I would recommend you to come by trek instead of car because you would see more of the scenery, more of the beach in different angles. Here you're limited to a very few angles, so that's the thing. Guys, we have to run back because it was raining and we are back in the car now. Don't know what to do because it's raining now. Because I don't think you can go anywhere as well. Look at the rain. So much of rain. Alright, so we are at dinner at this cafe for today's dinner and we have ordered some biryani. Let me tell you what we did. We went to a beach and then we did this boat ride. It was really fun. It was very adventurous, you know.
Okay.
It's India versus Pakistan also of Champions Trophy, so that's going on live right there.
चिकन कितना पीस चाहिए?
एक
बस हो जाएगा? सर
Thank you. Oh, let's do a taste test now. Nice. Good. Alright, what's up guys? You can see the beautiful view right behind me. Alright, so this is the Kudle beach, that's the ocean. I just took a dip from there and I just came, took a shower, and today's the last day at Gokarna. Like, so I'm wondering what is the actual difference between Gokarna and Goa. Like 3 or 4 differences I found in my opinion. The first thing is that there are way many foreigners in Gokarna than in Goa. I don't know how that's, because usually Goa is known for, you know, the tourist spot for foreigners as well, but there were so many foreigners here also. And one thing I noticed is there were many middle-aged foreigners, like after retirement. Like there weren't any young foreigners. I think young foreigners usually go to Goa and the middle-aged ones come to Gokarna because it's more peaceful here, it's more silent here. There's no parties here or anything, it's only the beach and some temples. So I think that's why older people from other countries prefer Gokarna over Goa. Gokarna is like a mix of Banaras and Goa because there's a spiritual side to Gokarna, like the temples. Then there's obviously the beach and the water sports. The Gokarna's water sport is not to the level of Goa, but it's still there and it's pretty fun. We went speedboating also yesterday on the second day towards the end and it was so fun. Oh my god, it was honestly so fun. And yeah, my full body got wet and all. Honestly, one day is more than enough. 1 day, 1.5 days more than enough to cover the main parts of Gokarna. There isn't much. What there is enough for a day and a half for you to see. The thing is, in the temple we couldn't go inside the queue because first of all we didn't even want to go. There was a long queue, so we decided not to go. Second of all, you need to go shirtless and you need a lungi or a panche to get in. If you don't have one of those, you're not even allowed to go inside. And for girls, it's just traditional clothing in general. The best part of this entire trip was this view behind me that you see. You can see this view even while you're showering and all that. Even when you're taking a shit, you can see this view. And yeah, that's all. We are going to leave for Bangalore now. It'll take us like about 6 to 8 hours just to reach back home. Today my college starts actually. Today is the first day of 4th semester. So I missed that. I mean, it's all like worth missing it for this. I'd rather be here than in class. We were on the road trip and we have stopped at this place because there's a beautiful view out there. So let's check it out. Chalo upar. We can go up. This is the view. Careful. Look at this, guys. The valley and you can see the mountains and all.
It's a river.
Then there's a lake also there. I mean a river, not a lake, my bad. You see the river, there's a mountain. It's a wildlife area. You might see many monkeys around there. One is right there, look at one monkey is going right there. Live monkey. Okay. You won't see this wildlife elsewhere. So you can see him climbing also like a monkey. I don't know why he's doing that. Look. Oh, okay. Thanks for watching this video and I hope you liked it. Stay tuned for more and thank you. See you. Bye.